Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a fireworks show and something has started. Let me show you.
I like that. So we can. Can I go in there and look? No. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh man, I found the international fireworks.
I wouldn't want to smite your academia model.
Oh my gosh!
That was unexpected.
That was a surprise.
Hey, it's okay. Come here.
Was it supposed to blow up? I don't know.
That was scary.
Oh, did you film your intro?
So that was called Little Fighter.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah!
Sorry, Ben.
It's fine. Now we're doing Frosty Mug of Beer.
Is that what it's called?
Yes, that's what the fireworks called.
You can't really see your face.
Now can you see me?
No, it's just because it's really dark.
I know.
The Frosty Mug of Beer. Drama?
You can watch from the way.
Whoa, look how smoky it is over there.
Whoa!
Dad! Dad!
What?
It looks like our house over there.
Foamy beer.
Foamy beer!
Frosty Mug of Beer. We.
Mom! Hold them right here. Only one book.
Wow! So frosty.
So frosty.
Whoa.
It's only the boys like the loud explosive stuff. They're just all like huddled. Emma just wants to be by them.
Yeah, it's an army. Because normally she does not have any problem.
I'm by the door.
In case. I'm joking. I was only kind of joking.
Just letting you know, these are a lot bigger than they look.
Oh, wait, do they look small on camera?
Yes, they look
It's probably because you're far away.
a lot smaller. But I'm zooming it in all the way even, so.
You're just like a nothingness.
I'm a black blob.
See, you can like see your face if you like stop. Yeah, you're really close to the camera.
Hi.
Do you have an editing software? What? Do you have an editing software?
I can't wait for the big one.
You should probably get an app to edit your videos, and then you can cut out random stuff.
I don't know what apps to get though.
Look up editing apps.
Editing.
I think YouTube has their own editing thing that you can do.
Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so let me go see what kind we're doing. What is it called?
Go up there.
Breathless. We're doing Breathless next.
You want to come sit in my lap? So they could split one for, you know what I'm saying?
Mirror, mirror. We are doing Breathless.
Breathless? What's breathless?
Both of you.
It's a fountain. I don't know.
I like the fountains.
Yeah.
Are you gonna vlog our summer trip?
They're going to go out.
Yes, I am.
I can be your helper. I can help you vlog.
You can.
Yeah.
That's my thumbs up.
Okay.
Billy, shut the door.
Yay.
No, they're...
like
No, get up, Willie, we're gonna sit right by her. Get up, Willie, right up.
Okay, right now is just a break from the loudness. Because your fingers are in the way. You see my teeth? Now you know what I'm saying if you can read lips.
You're just blackness.
So bad. You scared me. Say hi. You can't even see.
See, that's what.
Wow, this is breathless again.
It literally looks like a building on fire.
It looks like the pirate ship is on fire.
Oh, I like the green.
Those little ones, I can.
Oh, pretty.
Really pretty.
They did fundraisers for the library. Yeah, they're very quiet. I like it. But it's the last few times they've done one. You know, the library don't go on the Facebook page and say what they're going to use the money for. The last few times it seems like
All right.
That is fireworks. You couldn't even notice that.
This is clapping.
Clapping.
This is how you
Why
clap.
don't you just snap?
When somebody's deaf, we have to clap at school.
You have a deaf person at school?
There's somebody who's blind at school.
Huh?
There's somebody who's blind at school. But the news crew came to us. So he was on the news because somebody came from California to help him with these special glasses that could help him because he's never seen the sound before. So that was like the first time he ever got to see it.
next time I'm bringing earmuffs. Yeah.
No, Billy, this fireworks.
Really, there are spider webs. Get out of there. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. It does.
You want to sit in the same chair together?
And it's also burning in the light. There's no reason. You know what? Millie, you knocked that over. Pick it up. Do you want me to? Well, yeah.
They're bombs to ants.
I was gonna say I'll move this little chair right here, but I didn't realize there was one right there. There's one there. Oh, okay, you girls got a good spot.
Yay.
Oh, that was.
Oh, that was quiet. It didn't make any noise.
What are you doing?
I'm clapping. Clapping.
I will when you like it.
You're just darkness.
Okay. And so are you.
Really?
Yeah, I can't see you.
What about my teeth?
No.
Oh.
Oh, maybe you need flash on.
Cars.
Can you flash?
I don't want to mess something up, so I'm not even gonna try.
You could maybe edit the 2 parts, or you could post them as part 1 and part 2.
I could.
And Mary, Allison, and Kelly.
So those are all your options.
What was that?
A bomb.
Emma, there's a fireworks show going on inside too.
And cheese. I believe these are full gold. Yes, they are.
Or the other two. Are these the same as the other ones?
We are doing two. Like, are these the same as the fireworks we had done before, like the fountain ones?
Hey, Ben, is that Candy Crush?
I did.
What was it supposed to do?
It's just a fountain of rainbows.
I don't have Crunchyroll anymore. But it's still around.
A long time ago you said that me and Allison might be able to get Amino. Did you check that out?
Yeah, what?
Amino?
Amino.
Because I want to look at the art Amino. They like an Amino for extra. Probably. Allison, there's an Amino
So that
for
was
every single one.
fool's gold. What are you doing?
And like at the beginning of your sponsored videos, you're like, check out my Amino.
Hello.
Sneakerheads Amino.
What's a sneakerhead?
It's like $100 really like that.
Allison's in the metalhead Amino.
We are doing one of the biggest fireworks we have.
Oh, cool. Is it gonna be loud?
Yes, we're gonna have to stand.
The big bag?
No, but we have to stand up to look. So I think.
Run, Dad, run! Oh gosh.
Wow! Wow! That was cool.
Beautiful.
So I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna sit right here.
One of them was broke.
It smells bad.
Hey, Sherman.
That was amazing. Amazing.
You're gonna have to
One of them broke.
hope. Oh, is that your face? I was really confused.
What?
I didn't know. I thought you were at a background. I'm gonna stand in front of the camera then. Whoa, lights.
There's a crop circle in the night.
Are there aliens coming to see fireworks then?
Yes. The aliens are after us. They're coming to eat us up. No, come here. They're coming to eat the fireworks.
Gunpowder. Is gunpowder in fireworks?
Yes, it's in all fireworks because that's what makes it blow up. Can you hold this?
Oh yeah, you can kind of see out here.
Really?
Yeah.
Then watch me.
Oh, whoa. I saw like your feet and stuff and like I could kind of tell, but like I couldn't see, I couldn't see your whole body.
Now can you see me?
Like I can tell you're doing a flip, yeah. Yeah. It's not as impressive as it would be in day. Oh, yeah, I saw that.
That's your show from me. No longer. Can I have it?
Yeah.
The night sky is so beautiful.
Ben,
The first star.
you should bring your underwater. Do you have an underwater camera?
I do.
You should bring it to the beach.
But I lost the battery.
Then get another battery.
Well, I also lost the spare battery.
Do you know what brand it is?
No.
Oh, well,
I'll look at
then you're lost.
I'll look at what kind of camera it is. We
Low battery.
That just ruined our video.
No, it's still going. As you got to let Doll use that phone just a
Come on,
minute for the
Ben.
flashlight.
He won't do it. He won't.
No, I'm making a video. Wee.
Just for a second, turn the light on. Yeah, then you can make a part 1 and part 2. It's fine. Oh, wow. Was that it?
That was just one.
Oh. Have we done like is it the big box thing?
No, this isn't the big one yet.
Oh.
The big one is the grand finale.
I'm so stoked for the big one.
So I have ants on my hands.
Yeah.
I hope this video will load again. It's pretty long.
I told them to do like a part 1 and part 2.
And he's supposed to be holding it sideways.
Oh yeah, Ben, hold it sideways. Ben, come over to the
That's better.
come over to the picnic table so you can sit. Bye, Ben.
No, come here, Mir. Mir, come here. That was huge.
She wants to see the water. The water's not going anywhere. Well, I'll show you the water after the fireworks. We're going to watch the fireworks.
Okay, if you want to watch them with your ears covered, we gotta lay like this. This is so lucky.
Better.
That's a lot better. Thank
Bella
you.
is obsessed with that. Look at her.
It's purple. It's rainbow water.
She's moving. I can't.
Come here, dog. Come sit down with us.
Millie, don't get your underwear wet again.
She's sitting on the wall. Oh.
There's a swimming pool. Change the lights in it.
Yeah.
There's more, but I got you. Those are really good.
Hey, y'all need to come out here. They're pretty.
It's a perfect view from here.
It is a perfect view.
Come here.
There goes Mare Mare.
It's perfect here.
It's because it's clear, free of like the trees.
I'm glad those things burn out before they get to the ground.
Ben, if you ever find your underwater camera, you could do one under the pool when the lights are on.
Grass
Yes.
is wet.
That'd be amazing.
What would they doing if the grass was
They're
wet?
pretty.
I should have said
I've had them cancel like
that'd be
fireworks
cool.
before.
You
It's
could
been
be
so dry.
swimming and watch the fireworks.
It's rained so much here. The grass is so green, there ain't nothing gonna burn.
Up in Arkansas, she ever cuts the hay in our
Do
meadow
you think
up
we
there?
could get a better
In the
view from the
summertime,
back
it's
of
so
the
dry that
I wouldn't want to sit
when
down
that blade
there.
hits a rock, it makes a
There's
spark.
boats and stuff.
Hey, he
Oh,
he
there's
won't
another
cut that.
firework.
I like it when it does that.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
That's bad in the bottom.
Come on.
That's cool. I'm gonna sit here, but I'll wave at you.
Hey, y'all don't go any further than that. Aren't they pretty?
Mary, look at those fireworks.
Bring one of those chairs over there. Is it a better view over there, Ben?
A lot. Because there's no trees in the way.
Chairs over there, Meredith. Hey, Mill, you be careful down there.
Hey, y'all get back here and shell in. Ben, all of y'all.
Okay.
Ben, Ben's okay. You two girls, get back over here.
Ben,
Get over here.
What?
I'm gonna bring a chair over.
I heart.
You too.
Oh yeah, you can probably see your face better over here too.
Yeah, because there's lights. Do you see this? Whoa, fireworks. I love that. I don't know why.
Can I see if you can see your face better?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can see your face better.
Water is not purple, sadly.
It looks more blue on camera. Yeah. Yay!
Did you get it?
I got like most of it, half of it, yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's good.
See, look at the water. It looks paler
Beautiful though.
on camera. It's still really pretty, but it's more green than lime.
It turns pink too, and purple, and green.
Whoa.
See, the color's kind of different. Whoa, look at the ring.
Blue toys are also changing colors.
I can just position you. Because you're good at keeping the camera still.
Yay!
You're good at keeping it still,
Yes.
but I'm...
You know positions. and
Yes,
stuff.
I'm good at position.
I don't think people want to look at the dark sky, you know. But you can talk.
So just leave it like that.
Okay.
And I will be right back, okay?
Okay. Yay! It's a dark sky. I'm not a very entertaining person to listen to.
The robot's way over there. No, for a minute there I thought, what is that?
What's what?
That's
Hey, Emma?
love.
Hey, Emma,
Where?
is the pool changing light color?
What is that?
What?
Come over here. Like this big hog bone. Come here.
Hey, is the swimming pool changing colors?
Mama,
okay.
I'm not mine. Look at this.
Oh, there it went.
What is that?
Oh, is it in the water?
Hey,
Yes.
hey, Millie. Y'all sit down. Get back down here.
It's probably harmless if it's in the water. Welcome back, Ben. He's got food.
I got strawberries.
He's got strawberries. And
Millie, Millie. Y'all come back down here and sit
he's
down.
got strawberries. Strawberries.
I'm hungry.
Bring that chair over there. Over here.
It's okay.
Okay. Talking this thing. Oh, I don't know if it's starting or not.
No, that's the golf cart.
My,
No, they're driving away.
so that means that they're starting something.
Oh, I see other people's fireworks.
This video is 24 minutes long, then.
Oh my god.
I don't know
It's
if,
almost half an hour.
yeah. It might not upload.
No, it will.
Oh, it is. Oh, yay! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Yay!
Man, that's loud.
the best 4th of July. And that's it for this video. Again, I hope y'all had the best 4th of July of any of the years. And if this was your first, which you probably wouldn't be watching this if it was your first, but if you liked it, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
You move
The pool is so cool.